Dive into a cosmic ocean. Welcome aboard, space explorers. Today we're setting sail across the stars to plunge into the unknown as we uncover a mind-blowing discovery, an entire planet made of water. Waves of mystery are waiting to be unraveled. Will this be the oasis amongst the stars that changes our understanding of the universe forever? Let's make a splash in this interstellar ocean. Get ready to dive deep into science. The TESS Space Telescope, which is operated by NASA, was what made the discovery of the exoplanet TOI 1452b possible. The Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, also known as TESS, is a spacecraft that will survey the entire sky in an effort to locate and catalog planetary systems that are not part of our solar system. It is able to accomplish this by identifying minute variations in the luminosity of stars, which indicates the presence of extrasolar planets in orbit. In the case of TOI 1452b, TESS found that the brightness of the star decreased on a regular basis, once every 11 days, which is consistent with the presence of a possible extrasolar planet. This preliminary observation served as a jumping-off point for additional investigation that we carried out. Exoplanet research has been completely transformed as a result of TESS's capacity to survey expansive regions of the sky and locate objects that may be worthy of further investigation. Because of its sensitive detectors and expansive field of view, it is able to keep an eye on thousands of stars at the same time, significantly increasing the likelihood of finding undiscovered planets. The success of TESS in finding new exoplanets has been demonstrated by the discovery of TOI 1452b, which also contributes to our comprehension of the variety and distribution of planets beyond our own solar system. The PESTO camera that was mounted on the telescope at the Observatoire du Mont Magnétique was utilized in order to carry out follow-up observations on the planet TOI 1452b that were conducted on the ground. After the TESS Space Telescope made the initial discovery of the possible extrasolar planet, it became imperative to confirm the exoplanet's existence and collect additional information. The PESTO camera was an indispensable tool throughout the process. Astronomers were able to differentiate between the two stars that make up the binary system in which TOI 1452b is found, thanks to the instrument's high-resolution capabilities. The team determined that the exoplanet orbits the more massive star known as TOI 1452 by analyzing the images that were captured by PESTO. The ground-based follow-up observations supplied critical data that were used to characterize TOI 1452b. These data include measurements of the object's size, mass, and other relevant parameters. The nature and characteristics of the exoplanet are better understood as a result of this information's contribution. The ground-based observatory PESTO, which is a component of the telescope at the Observatoire du Mont Magnétique, exemplifies the magnificence of ground-based observatories as a complement to space-based missions such as TESS. Astronomers are now able to validate and investigate potential exoplanet candidates, thanks to the synergy between these instruments. This contributes to the advancement of our knowledge regarding the vast array of worlds beyond our own. The newly discovered exoplanet, known as TOI 1452b, is thought to be slightly larger and more massive than Earth. Additionally, it is believed to be located at the ideal distance from its star in order to permit liquid water to exist on its surface. It has been hypothesized by astronomers that this particular extrasolar planet might be what's known as an ocean planet, which refers to a world that is entirely enveloped by a substantial layer of water and is comparable to certain moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Observations made with the SPIRO instrument, which was installed on the Canada-France-Hawaii telescope in Hawaii, were used to determine the size and mass of the exoplanet. These findings, which are essential for validating the exoplanet's characteristics, were achieved through the use of the Canada-France-Hawaii telescope. Since it operates in the infrared spectrum, SPIRO is ideally suited for research on low-mass stars like the one that serves as the host star for TOI 1452. The extensive observations that were carried out with SPIRO provided useful insights into the mass of TOI 1452b, which is estimated to be approximately 5 times that of Earth. Because of this data, scientists were able to gain a deeper understanding of the composition of the exoplanet, which provided further support for the idea that it is an ocean planet. The utilization of cutting-edge instruments, such as SPIRO, exemplifies the creativity and capabilities of astronomers to investigate the characteristics of distant exoplanets located at significant distances from the Earth. These observations both contribute to the expansion of our knowledge of planetary diversity and offer insights into the potential habitability of other worlds located within our galaxy. The composition of the extrasolar planet, TOI 1452b, is distinct from that of Earth due to the planet's distinctive characteristics. TOI 1452b is thought to have a significantly greater quantity of water than Earth does, which is due to the fact that Earth is a predominantly dry planet with only a small percentage of water. In recent years, astronomers have been able to identify exoplanets with sizes ranging from that of Earth to that of Neptune. These exoplanets have densities that indicate a significant portion of their mass is composed of lighter materials such as water. These fictitious worlds are referred to as ocean planets. It seems that TOI 1452b is one of the most likely candidates for an ocean planet to exist to this day. Its radius, mass, and density all point to a density that is significantly lower than what one would anticipate for a planet with a composition similar to that of Earth, which is primarily composed of metal and rock. Exoplanet interior modeling specialists conducted analyses, and their findings suggest that water could make up as much as 30% of the exoplanet's mass. This discovery places TOI 1452b in the same orbit as some of the natural satellites that exist within our own solar system, such as Ganymede and Callisto, which are moons of Jupiter, and Titan and Enceladus, which are moons of Saturn. These moons are known to have significant water reservoirs, which further emphasizes the possibility that TOI 1452b is rich in water. The discovery of such a significant amount of water on this fascinating extrasolar planet adds to the mystery and scientific excitement surrounding the prospect of conducting additional research on the subject. Researchers are eager to put Webb to use so that they can investigate the atmosphere of TOI 1452b and test the hypothesis that the planet is covered in oceans. The sophisticated instruments of the telescope, such as the near-infrared imager and slitless spectrograph, NIRIS, will supply us with important data that will help us gain a deeper comprehension of this mysterious world. The potential insights that can be gained from Webb's observations of TOI 1452b hold the promise of deciphering the mysteries of ocean planets, the characteristics of their atmospheres, and the possibility of habitability on worlds other than our own. We are one step closer to understanding the variety of planetary systems beyond our own, as well as the conditions that must be present for life to flourish, thanks to the latest development in scientific exploration. It is widely believed that the James Webb Space Telescope, also known as Webb, will prove to be an extremely useful instrument for advancing the investigation of TOI 1452b and achieving a more in-depth comprehension of the planet's atmosphere. TOI 1452b stands out as a captivating target for Webb's observations because it is one of the relatively few known temperate planets that exhibit characteristics that are associated with ocean planets. Webb has the potential to provide invaluable insights into the atmospheric makeup of TOI 1452b, thanks to its cutting-edge technology and capabilities. The sophisticated instruments of the telescope, such as the near-infrared imager and slitless spectrograph, allow scientists to investigate the atmosphere of the planet and obtain essential information regarding its chemical composition. Researchers are hoping that by carefully analyzing the spectral signatures obtained from TOI 1452b, they will be able to decipher the mysteries that surround this one-of-a-kind extrasolar planet and gain insights into the possibility of life existing there. The findings from Webb's observations will make a significant contribution to our understanding of exoplanets, the variety of characteristics they possess, and the conditions that might be favorable to the existence of life elsewhere in the universe. The scientific community is waiting with bated breath for the opportunity to make use of Webb's capabilities in order to investigate TOI 1452b and discover the mysteries that are hidden within its beguiling atmosphere. And that's all for this video. Subscribe and make sure to check out our channel.